Hi there, how are you? Thak here. Today I am going to demonstrate making the German mushroom. So I'm going to get right into it and explain as I go. I'm using my upsetting block to perform this upsetting task here. And I'm leaving about 1 inch sticking up. It's tricky with something this thin to get that to go down evenly, as you'll see, without it caving in on itself. So I have to kind of move around, come in at different angles to try to upset that down into as symmetrical a blob as possible. So I was able to keep it more or less centered coming down. It's still kind of an ugly, shapeless blob at this point, but I'm going to go back to the anvil for the next heat and we're going to refine that shape, as you will see. Let's do it. So I'm holding the piece over the edge of the anvil here and I'm hitting with the hammer in kind of an awkward fashion. It's kind of a sideways blow where I'm pushing the hammer down, and basically I'm trying to move the steel out to a center point on this by keeping it against the side of the anvil. Tricky process. Until I have achieved that shape. Alright, so we're going to make our German mushroom into something here. I decided to make a coat hook. Just a practical application for this shape. So cut off hardy and cut this hook off. And there we have it. So there's our German mushroom made into a coat hook. Just drill a hole in there and you're able to hang it on a wall or do a bunch of them, put them on a piece of steel, make a rack. That's one application for this particular motif. And there we have it, the German mushroom as a coat hook. The German mushroom, I also use that for doing like studs. I've actually done it for leather, studded leather and armor and different things like that. It's such a faceted head, I really find it quite fascinating. Anyway, so hopefully that was helpful. Let me know what else you'd like to see. I've got a million other things I can demonstrate. So let me know, please subscribe, back out. See ya!